What's up guys, Adrian Amaral here with 911 Gadgets. In this video we're going to show you how to change the screen on an iPhone X, otherwise known as the iPhone 10. So here we have the new replacement screen, which there's two different qualities on these screens. Okay, there's the OLED, okay, which is a little bit more expensive, which is exactly how the OEM part is, soft OLED. And then we have the LCD. So this customer decided to go with the LCD because it's a little bit cheaper. So it's still great quality. We use the best LCD screens that there is in the market, but it's not quite an OLED LCD, which is a little bit more bright and more vivid. The blacks are darker, stuff like that. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's put our new screen to the side, and don't mind these parts, these are from another phone that I was working on. So let's see if we could turn it off. Yep. So let's go ahead and grab our tools. Need the bottom screws, need a Phillips, and we need a tri-point. So they're here. Start with the bottom screws. Okay. On to the next one. Okay. Now, like, as you know, iPhone 6s and above, they have a little bit of adhesive. So let's go ahead and mount that adhesive. Now this screen is not good for recycle because it has that line across, and the touch also doesn't work as good. The touch is already kind of glitching out. So get my blade, hit it from the bottom like I always like doing first. There you go. Let me turn on the screen so you guys can kind of see real quick what I'm talking about. You see that line right there? That's no longer eligible for recycling. So I don't really care about this screen anymore. I'm just gonna prop it open. You grab my thicker pick and go around it. So let's go ahead and turn it off again. I just wanted to show you guys that there is a line and we cannot recycle it anymore. Okay, got that part. Don't mind my faces. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Put my blade away and my pick. Open this sucker up this way. Cool. So now we gotta remove our LCD and battery shield. These are gonna be tri-point, also known as Mercedes logo tip. And there's one right here behind this cable. battery connector is going to be right here. There it is, battery unplugged. Then your LCD, right here, these two. That's one. And here's the other one. Just gonna pull it from there, just because that screen is no longer any good. So then we have our this stuff right here, your sensors and all that. Let's go ahead and remove that, and it's gonna be this one right here. Now that one has a little bit of adhesive right there, so you can heat it up a little bit there. Okay. And there it is, you see? Make sure it doesn't tear. Alright, so now we're done with this phone. We put it to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and transfer all the stuff from here to the new screen. So I'm gonna start removing any protective film on the new screen. Carefully not to tear any connectors. Okay. All right, so here we go. Let's see if there's anything else we got to transfer over. It looks like just that. So let's put this new screen on the left and start removing the little parts. Now this part right here, guys, look at how it has this little tab on there. See that tab? So that goes okay, it goes this way when you put it back on. So when you start unscrewing the screw for it, it'll move to the side just like this, and you're like, oh, how does it go? So you got to keep that in mind and put it back how it goes. Okay, I'm going to heat this up a bit up here. All right, get your tweezers out. Get your tweezers. Get this thing out. There it is. Then get your microphone. Okay. And then the sensors. There you go. So this thing came out nice and flush. Nice and easy. Cool. Make sure there's nothing else we gotta transfer over. See, these tabs are a little bent in. I'm gonna bend them out a little bit. There you go. So speaker mesh is already here, so we don't have to transfer that. We just got to we could either use the one that comes with the screen, which is this one here. Okay. We can try to transfer the original one. Let's see. There you go. Still has a little bit of glue right there. You can try to use the original one if you wanted to. There you go. Just make sure that that microphone hole is not being covered by anything. Blocked right here. There it is. There's a bit of glue here. I'll just remove that glue. Okay, so let's use the original one. Put that on there. Okay, then let's put our sensors in there. Remember, this little square goes in here in that square. There you go. This microphone thing here goes in that tab right there. It should have a little bit of adhesive left on the mic. Yep, fits in perfectly. And then this thing goes right in there in that rectangular spot opening. Perfect. Then, last but not least, let's put this puppy right on there. There you go. Cool. Let's put the screws back on. There's one. Let's do this one with the tab. I'm holding it with my thumb so the tab stays in that one position. There you go. You guys see that right here? Is the camera's not wanting to focus. Right there. Is it gonna focus? Are you gonna focus? No. Well, anyways, it's right here. That's the tab right there. I don't know why it's not focusing, guys. Okay, there it is. There's that tab right here. Anyways, okay, it's on there. Next screw. Okay, so not the hard part is done, guys. Let's get our phone and let's plug in. So this one goes right in here. There it is. Remember, I had a little bit of glue there. Perfect. Then our LCD connector. There you go. Next connector. Maybe you don't want to use metal. Try to use your finger, see if you can squeeze your finger in there. There you go. If you can't use your finger, if it's too fat or too wide, then you can use one of these plastic spudger tools right here. Let's go like this. Okay. Okay, now the battery. And just, I don't really like to turn it on because I'm lazy and I don't want to wait. I'm impatient, but I'll do it for the video. I'll turn it on just to be sure that the screen looks good. Okay, so there's the Apple logo. There's no line anymore like this one had. So there it is. Remind me later. Emergency. Let's just try different numbers. Everything's working good. Let's turn it off, and we'll continue. We'll continue assembling it, which is just this LCD and battery shield. Okay. Okay, there it is. Where's our plastic spudger tool? So I'm gonna try to shove these LCD flex cables a little bit inside in here. Okay, just kind of press down on them a little bit so that they can close nicely. You see? Okay. There you go. Let's turn it on. Sometimes you do damage the screen when you're closing it in. In this case, we're good to go. Put in the bottom screws. Okay, installed. And it works perfectly, guys. Let's turn it off. And this is how you fix an iPhone X LCD, not the soft OLED, but it's the LCD version of the screen. It's a little bit cheaper, it still works good. We're using the very high quality LCD, not the cheap kind, so it's still really good quality and the screen still looks nice and vivid. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to learn more, please go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training and make sure you join our group, our Facebook group. We have a lot of people in our group that help when you're stuck with anything. We're there to respond. We're there to help you, guide you. We post videos that we don't post on YouTube. A lot of secret stuff going on in that group. A lot of ways to make money. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.